Alright, you know what? Let's just cut the bullshit and get straight into it. AI is the biggest wealth transfer opportunity of our generation. And in the next 15 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to turn AI knowledge into $3,000 to $10,000 per month in the next 90 days. I'm not gonna give you fluff, I'm not gonna give you theory, I'm just gonna give you the complete roadmap. But first, let me just show you exactly what's happening right now that most people are honestly missing. The market reality is that 700 million people are using ChatGPT every single week. But only 1%, and listen to me very carefully, only 1% know how to monetize it effectively. That gap is your exact opportunity. Most people are just using AI to write better emails, summarize articles, and get homework help, but honestly, that's just small thinking. Meanwhile, there's a small group making $5, $10, $50,000 a month using the exact same tools. The business reality is that right now, every business needs AI integration. Whether it's gyms, real estate agents, coaches, consultants, e-commerce stores, dental clinics, all of them need AI integration. They've read the headlines, they know AI matters, they know it can save time, cut costs, and improve output quite a lot. But the problem is that they just don't know how to implement it. They don't know how to write prompts, they don't know how to create custom workflows. उन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि कैसे AI को exactly integrate करना into daily operations. So they're just sitting on $2,000 to $10,000 per month in budgets with no one to give it to. The timing reality is that we're just 18 to 24 months into the AI revolution. And honestly, early adopters are already making $10,000 to $50,000 per month with AI. But mass adoption still hasn't happened, and that is why you're still early. But just as a disclaimer, this window will close in 12 to 18 months. After that, the competition is going to increase, the prices are going to drop, and the opportunity is going to shrink. Right now, you're a first mover, and first movers set the pricing. So the question now remains, how do you exactly make money with AI? So in this video, I'm going to break down 4 different models according to 5 different categories so that you can pick which one suits you best. Number 1, general difficulty, so how much skill is required to start. Number 2, time intensity, so how much daily work it takes. Number 3, scalability, so how much you can realistically grow. Number 4, income potential, so how much money you can exactly make. And number 5, stress level, so how stressful daily operations are. So let me just go ahead and show you each one. Model number 1 is AI copywriting. This is where you basically use AI to write high converting copy 10 times faster than traditional copywriters. So sales emails, ad copy, landing pages, VSL scripts, product descriptions with the same quality as traditional copywriters, if not better quality, but 10 times the speed. Let me just go ahead and give you a real example. Meet Sarah, who was a traditional copywriter making $2,000 a month working 60 hours per week. उसने ChatGPT और Claude सीखा, and now she delivers in 5 hours what used to take her 60 hours. She raised prices from $500 per project to $2,000 per project. She takes 5 clients per month instead of taking 15 clients per month. The result is $10,000 a month with 25 hours per week of time investment. So let's just go ahead and do the math real quick. A traditional copywriter works 40 hours per week for 4 weeks and charges $30 an hour, and the result is $4,800 a month. But an AI-powered copywriter works 25 hours per week for 4 weeks and charges $100 an hour, and the result is $10,000 a month. So the same skills but 10 times the leverage. So let's break down AI copywriting according to the 5 categories. The general difficulty for AI copywriting is moderate. You just need to understand the copywriting fundamentals, so your headlines, your hooks, your emotional triggers, and AI does rest of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to basically guide it and edit the output. The time intensity is moderate. So once you master prompts, the delivery is super fast. The time consuming part is just the revisions, the feedback loops, and understanding the brand's voice. The scalability is moderate to high. You can scale to $10,000 to $15,000 a month using simple templates and systems. Beyond that, you'll need to hire junior copywriters or VAs. The income potential is high, so $500 to $2,000 per month for ongoing work and $1,000 to $3,000 for one-time projects. E-commerce brands, coaches, consultants, agencies all consistently need copy. The stress level is moderate, so clients can be demanding about revisions, and deadlines honestly do matter. But it is not as high pressure as automation work. This is for freelancers who are currently making $500 to $3,000 per month, anyone with decent writing skills who wants to 10x his or her output, and people comfortable working with e-commerce brands, coaches, and consultants. Then the second model is AI UGC ads creation. You basically use AI to create user-generated content style ads for e-commerce brands who want to scale their campaigns. UGC ads are those authentic looking ads that look like it's a real person reviewing a product. And these ads honestly convert 3 to 5 times better than traditional ads. The problem is that traditional UGC ads are expensive. UGC creators charge anywhere between $150 to $500 per video. And influencer deals honestly cost more than $1,000 per creative. E-commerce brands need 20 to 30 videos per month for testing, and they honestly can't afford to keep on spending thousands of dollars on influencers. Now with AI, you can produce high converting scripts, you can create AI voiceovers, and you can even create AI avatars that look and sound real. Let me give you a real example. Meet James. He was a video editor charging $200 per UGC ad and he could only handle 2 to 3 clients at once. लेकिन फिर उसने AI tools सीखे. Claude for scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Flow and Higgsfield for AI avatars. Now he delivers 10 UGC ads per month per client in the same time that it used to take him to make 2. Now he charges $1,500 per month per client and he takes on 8 clients. The result is $12,000 per month in revenue with just 30 hours per week of time investment. Now let's do a category breakdown of AI UGC ads creation. The general difficulty is moderate. You need to understand what makes UGC ads convert, so storytelling, pain points, hooks. But AI tools handle scripting, voiceovers, and video generation. The time intensity is moderate because AI does most of the work for you. You just need to understand ad creative strategy, review outputs, and make edits. And each client needs 10 to 20 ads per month. The scalability for this is high. This is extremely scalable because AI handles almost all of the production for you. You can easily reach between $15,000 to $20,000 per month with good systems. The income potential for this is very high. E-commerce brands have massive ad budgets and $1,500 to $3,000 per month per client is very realistic. Some agencies even charge more than $5,000 per month for this service. The stress level is low to moderate. You have to understand that e-commerce brands already understand testing. They're not as picky about revisions because they know it's about volume. This model is a little bit less stressful than copywriting. This is for anyone who understands e-commerce and paid ads, video editors looking to scale, and people who want high income with lower stress. Model number 3 is AI graphic design. In this model, you basically use AI to create professional level graphics 10 times faster than traditional graphic designers. So social media graphics, ad creatives, thumbnails, brand packages, presentation decks. Tools like Midjourney, Flow, and Canva AI allow you to create stunning visuals in minutes instead of hours. Let me give you a real example. Meet Priya. She was a traditional designer charging $500 per brand package and taking weeks to deliver. Then she mastered Midjourney, Flow, and Canva AI. Now she delivers brand packages in less than 3 days. She raised prices to $1,200 per project and now she takes on 10 projects instead of 2. The result is $12,000 per month with 25 hours per week of time investment. So let's do a category breakdown of this specific model. The general difficulty is low to moderate. You just need basic design sense like color theory, branding, and composition. But AI generates the actual visuals. You just guide it with prompts and refine outputs. The time intensity is moderate. AI speeds up creation dramatically. Time goes into understanding the client's brand, creating variations, and doing revisions. Each project still needs a human touch. The scalability is moderate. You can hit $10,000 to $12,000 per month solo, but beyond that, you'll need to hire junior designers and VAs to handle the volume. Design is still somewhat custom work. The income potential is moderate to high. You can charge $800 to $2,500 per month per client for ongoing work, and $500 to $2,000 for one-time projects. Small businesses, startups, and agencies all need design work. The stress level is moderate. Design is a subjective thing and clients do have opinions, so you will need to make revisions. But it is less pressure than automation or copywriting deadlines. This is for creative people with decent design taste, freelancers who want to scale output, and anyone working with small businesses, agencies, or startups. Model number 4 is AI automation. You basically help businesses save time and money by replacing repetitive tasks with AI workflows. So answering leads, sending follow-ups, scheduling calls, updating spreadsheets, and customer support. With automation, all of that runs on autopilot 24/7. Let me give you a real example. Meet Ahmed. He was a former IT guy making $4,000 per month salary. He learned AI automation and mastered ChatGPT, Make, and Zapier. Now he helps small businesses automate workflows. He charges a $3,000 setup fee and $1,000 per month for maintenance. With just 6 clients, he makes $6,000 per month after the setup process. The result is $9,000 to $15,000 per month depending on new client onboarding, and he works 20 hours per week. So let's do a category breakdown of AI automation. The general difficulty is hard. This is the most technical model. You need to understand automation tools like Zapier and Make. You need to understand CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce. And you need to understand communication tools like Slack. Plus, you need to understand how to make custom AI chatbots. The time intensity for this is high. Each business is different and unique setup is required. You'll spend time auditing processes, configuring tools, handling revisions, and maintaining systems while they break. The scalability for this is moderate. You work on retainer basis, so more clients is equals to more work. When you run out of capacity, you're forced to hire technical people. And these aren't cheap hires. The income potential for this is very high. Businesses will spend serious money, and I mean $3,000 to $10,000 per month depending on size and scope. Margins are high if you automate delivery. The stress level for this is high. Real businesses depend on the systems that you build. If something breaks, then you're on call immediately. It is high pressure because you're managing core infrastructure. This is for people with a strong tech background, those who love software development and systems. But this is not for beginners with zero technical skills. So at this point, you're probably wondering, okay, what do I need to learn? So let me break down the exact skill stack. Tier number 1 is foundation, which takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Everyone needs this, and this is honestly non-negotiable. ChatGPT and Claude are your core conversational tools. You need to learn prompt engineering, so how to get the output that you exactly want. And you need to understand limitations, so what AI can and can't do. This takes 1 to 2 weeks of focused learning. Tier number 2 is specialization, and this takes about 3 to 4 weeks. An important disclaimer here is do not try to learn everything. Pick one path based on the model that you specifically chose. If you choose AI copywriting, then the tools you'll need are ChatGPT, Claude, Copy.ai and Jasper. The skills you'll need are learning about headlines, hooks, emotional triggers, and sales psychology. Your clients are basically going to be e-commerce brands, agencies, coaches, and consultants. And income for an AI copywriter can vary between $500 to $2,000 per month per client. If you choose AI UGC ads, then the tools you'll need are ChatGPT and Claude for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Flow or Higgsfield for avatars, and Descript for editing. The skills you'll need are understanding UGC ad structure, hooks, storytelling, and ad creative strategy. Your clients are going to be e-commerce brands or direct-to-consumer brands. And income for this specific model can vary between $1,500 to $3,000 per month per client. If you choose AI graphic design, then the tools you'll need are Midjourney, Flow, Canva AI, and Figma AI. The skills that you'll need are design fundamentals, color theory, composition, and branding. Your clients are going to be small businesses, startups, and agencies. And income for this specific model is going to be $800 to $2,500 per month per client. If you choose AI automation, then the tools that you'll use are going to be Make, Zapier, and custom chatbot builders. The skills that you'll need are process mapping, CRM knowledge, and technical problem solving. Your clients are going to be SMBs, coaches, and agencies. And your income can vary from $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client. What you need to do is pick one skill and master it in 3 to 4 weeks. Tier number 3 is advanced. So once you're making $5,000 to $8,000 per month consistently, you can start learning about custom GPTs, AI APIs, no-code AI tools, and you can start fine-tuning models. This is where your income jumps from $5,000 to $20,000 plus per project. But that's honestly later, and I don't want you to get distracted by shiny objects now. So lastly, let's just talk about the 90-day roadmap. Here's exactly how to go from $3,000 to $6,000 per month in 90 days. In the first month, you need to focus on learning. Week number 1 to 2 are your foundation weeks. Master ChatGPT, Claude, and prompt engineering and practice daily. Week number 3 to 4 is specialization. So pick your path: copywriting, UGC ads, automation, or design. Learn the specific tools needed for each model. And by the end of month 1, you can start delivering professional level work using AI. Month number 2, build and reach out. In weeks 5 to 6, start packaging your offer. So what are you selling? How much are you selling it for? What's the exact outcome that you're promising to your clients? So create a simple service description. In weeks number 7 to 8, find 200 potential customers. So LinkedIn, Instagram, cold email, whatever channel works for your chosen model. Start outreach by sending 20 to 30 messages per day using proven scripts. You should have 10 to 20 discovery calls booked by the end of month 2. Month number 3, close and deliver. In weeks 9 to 10, close your first 2 to 3 clients. Follow simple sales processes, address objections, and present your offer clearly. In weeks number 11 to 12, deliver and get testimonials. So over deliver on your first clients, get testimonials, and get referred early. That's $2,000 to $6,000 per month in recurring revenue by the end of month 3. So let me just give you a quick reality check. The time investment required for this is 3 to 4 hours per day for 90 days straight. And the initial capital investment required is $0 to $200. Most AI tools are either free or they're super cheap. The skill required is a willingness to learn hard things and especially learning how to sell. This is not passive income, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and this is certainly not a magic button. This is real work, this is a real timeline of 90 days, and this is a real result of getting to $3,000 to $10,000 per month. If you're actually willing to work, this is what works in 2026. So look, I've shown you 4 proven paths now. AI copywriting for people who can write and understand persuasion. AI UGC ads for people who understand the e-commerce market. AI graphic design for creative people who have some design sense. And AI automation for technical people who love systems. And now with all of this, the ball is honestly in your court. You can watch the video, think this is interested, and go back to scrolling. Or you can actually decide to move now. Most people honestly won't, and that's fine. That's why most people stay stuck at $500 to $3,000 per month trading time for money. But if you're actually serious and you want to scale your income to $3,000 to $10,000 per month without scaling your hours, then I've prepared something really special for you. I've created a 21-minute training video for you. In that video, I break down the exact tools for each model, the exact client acquisition process, the exact pricing strategies, and the exact mistakes to avoid. It's free, it's 21 minutes, and if you're serious, it will save you months of trial and error. So here's exactly what to do. Step number 1 is to click the link in the description and watch the 21-minute training video. Step number 2, after you watch the 21-minute training, then just DM me the word AIA on Instagram. That's it, just DM me the word AIA on my Instagram at UzairJK. I'll personally respond, we'll talk about your situation, we'll talk about which model suits you best and where exactly to go from there. And if it makes sense, I'll show you the exact path to get there. But you have to move right now, not next week and not when conditions are perfect. The window is open, but it is honestly closing fast. Click the link, watch the training, and DM me the word AIA on my Instagram. Let's get you to $3,000 to $10,000 per month in the next 90 days. At the end, remember that for those of us climbing to the top of the food chain, there can be no mercy, my friend. There is but one rule: hunt or be hunted. Thanks for watching.